Keeping your operations moving is a complex task. Time is precious, and you need repairs and calibration done quickly. That is our commitment to you. Routine calibration ensures that assembly tools function precisely and adhere to international standards. We have designed our service approach to support your business. Mountz is a trusted, accredited provider of torque calibration services. We have 58 years of experience in the torque manufacturing industry. We provide calibration of most torque tools and torque measurement equipment. Our technicians and specialists are highly trained. They can calibrate and repair most tools with precision and quality control in mind. Our team ensures the service and repair requests we work on meet advanced safety standards. Our labs are ISO certified to the requirements of ISO 9001 and accredited to the requirements of ISO 17025. We offer a prepaid voucher program to help you plan ahead. This program enables you to book service and maintenance in advance. This ensures your tools are always in top condition and ready to use. To get started, request a tool repair or service using our web form. A Mountz representative will contact you within 24 hours to provide more quotes. For repairs, we will gather the information we need about your tools and provide a quote for a tool evaluation. We can provide you with a detailed repair quotation upon receipt and assessment of your equipment. Finished calibrations and repairs typically leave our door within 5 to 7 business days of customer approval. Rush services are available at an additional charge. If you would like more information about Mountz service, request a consultation with one of our torque control experts today or visit us at mountztorque.com to learn more.